Hey everybody, we're over here at the site on a Wednesday afternoon, about 3 o'clock. Nice day. Well, it's overcast, but it's very cool. Good work day. But been over a couple times this week, so I will show you what happened the last few days, and then we'll just take a quick look now and see what's going on. So they just made a fresh batch of plaster, plaster. So the plaster is 1 bag of concrete and 3 sacks of fine sand. And that's where they use this sifting machine here. And they sift this sand to get a nice fine sand, and they'll use three bags of this sand with 1 bag of concrete, and then they put water in there and mix it up to a pancake consistency, and then they slop it on. That helps them to ensure that they get the wall level. So a lot of people have mentioned about the sloppy block work, and yes, it isn't the best looking, but it's not a load-bearing wall, or none of the walls here with the concrete hollow block are load-bearing. So they don't look all that good, but then they plaster it, and they'll put several coats of plaster on it to get it nice and level and smooth, which Kuya is doing now. And he has the mix there, which is again, looks like the consistency of pancake batter, and they'll flop it on there to get the wall somewhat level and smooth. And so he's using that square bar there to get that all level. You see the string there and the string down there. That's the Filipino wall straightening tool, right? So Kuya is mixing the skin coat, right? I put some water in there. It's like making bread dough. Mixing and mixing. That's a good consistency there, or no?
Yeah.
More water or no?
Yes, sir.
No more water. Tapos ng tubig?
Tapos na, sir.
say no more water, but it's a good consistency that way. So Kuya got it all done, just like the consistency of bread dough, I guess. A bit thicker than pancake mix. That's how I put it on. Kuya, how many coats? 3 coats? 4 coats? So you'll sand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, smooth.
Smooth?
Yes, sir.
Then another coat, sand.
Yeah.
Another coat, sand. And then the last coat, sand, and then prime and paint.
Primer,
Last one.
last one.
Okay. Well, there you have it. So Kuya finished doing 1 coat, and then he went, after it dried, he went over with the big old putty knife in some water and wet this and flattened it all out. So it's nice and smooth now. And he said they're gonna do that 3 more times. And at some point they'll use sandpaper and sand that as well, but it's actually really smooth now. Up here, not yet, but yeah, so that's the process for skim coating. And then they've yet to plaster this, but they'll chip this up, plaster it, and then put some skim coat over top of that. So for those of you who do not know what a finished concrete hollow block wall looks like, this is what it looks like. It looks like a typical drywall wall. And no, this isn't over at the construction site. This is in my rental house, but this is what the finished wall will look like. So after the electricians and the plumbers chip out and they install their wiring and conduit and piping and the other cabling, they will re-plaster and skim coat that area and then eventually sand it all down and paint it. And this is what it looks like. So Kuya is prepping the canopy up there. And tomorrow, Kuya, Edwin is saying gonna put the forms up there, right? Tomorrow. And then gonna put forms up there and pour concrete, and that'll be a canopy over the door here.
Yeah.
And then eventually there'll be a canopy over the door in the laundry room, right?
Yeah. The backside.
The backside. Okay, well that's how it's done there. He's tying the poles off, and then he's gonna put some rebar in there, 16 millimeter rebar.
16. 16, 12.
16.
Bottom.
Bottom is 16.
16 bottom.
Yeah, we'll see how that looks tomorrow. Kuya's putting the forms up there.
Yeah. Tomorrow is concrete. Bohos.
So tomorrow all the forms will be up. You finish the forms up down there, and you'll start pouring the concrete. And they're gonna drain the water out this week, let it dry, and then they will put some waterproofing sealant in there. And I think they're gonna be putting tile in there. So this is the side of the house next to the water pumping station, and they have plastered all of the lower portion of the wall, and they're working on the upper portion now. And looks like Kuya has done all the lower portion skim coat in the garage. In the front door area and the foyer, looks like that has been skim coated. So they didn't get to form the canopy off here and pour the concrete on that today, but I think their plan is to do it sometime this week. We're here on the outdoor living area, and so they poured that beam. This one is poured, this one is poured, and that one is poured. And the foreman said that they're going to form these up and pour those, so those should be done by the end of the week. And they're continuing to work on that back wall. The cistern, so they're using the water instead of wasting the water. They're using the water to mix the plaster because they're going to have to drain that out. So the more they can use on the plaster, the less they have to drain out and just waste. So that'll about do it for this week. Again, if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments section. If you like the material that's on this vlog, please go ahead and hit subscribe, which I think is over here, and you will be reminded when a new vlog is posted. And thanks for joining. We'll see you next time. Take care.